Hello everyone. Today we're gonna go over 5 things I love and 5 things I hate the most about the iPad Pro 2020. First, let's go over things I hate the most. That way we end the show with a good note, right? So, number 5. I absolutely hate the charging time. How long it takes to charge this unit. This is a 12.9-inch unit, so it has a fairly large battery. So for you to get it fully charged, it takes approximately 4 hours with the included charger. That's a no-go for 2020. I mean, think about it. If you forget to charge it through the night, wake up in the morning, planning to use it to work all day, you won't be able to. You won't have enough time to charge it. So now you're gonna have to plug it in during the day. So I think Apple should do something about that. Maybe include a better power supply or better charging technology. So, for example, I use this power supply, an Apple one I got online, and I get to charge it a lot faster with this, almost half the time that I take with the included power supply. And at the same time, I could use this to charge even my MacBook. So, pretty nice, huh? Number 4. Number 4 thing I hate the most is the size, but not the actual size of the tablet, but how awkward it is to hold it. There's really no easy way to hold it, and no good case out there that makes it nice to hold. Very, very few of them out there. So I absolutely hate that. If you try to use it to work, and with the Apple Pen, we holding it with one hand, it's just too awkward. And also, you're always covering the camera holding it like this. It's just really awkward, and I hate it. I wish there was an easy way to hold it. At number 3, we have the peripherals. I absolutely hate the lack of included peripherals with this unit. Not even the Apple Pencil is included. I mean, Apple just give us a power supply, not even a good one, and that's it. I wish they included at least the Apple Pencil. Number 2, the price. $1,100 plus tax for the 256 gig version. That's a lot of money, and no matter how cool a device or how good a device it is, hey, I could always wish it to be cheaper. So I wish it wasn't $1,200 for it. And number 1, the single thing I hate the most about this unit is the front-facing camera. The front-facing camera, it sounds really good on papers. I mean, it's a 7-megapixel camera capable of 4K and all of these. But in reality, all of them goes down the garbage whenever they put it in the wrong location. I mean, when you hold a tablet like this, which, let's face it, this is how everybody else uses this tablet. Even Apple's website shows everybody using it like this. The camera is on the wrong place. I'm always covering with my hands. So instead of putting it on the top, where the Apple Folio keyboard holds it like this, the Apple Magic keyboard also hold it out like this and on the top. No, they should put it in a really awkward location on the side. So if you're doing a video conference, you cannot really look like you're seeing the person in the eyes. You look like you're looking to the right of them. Just like right now, seeing you guys, hiding the eyes, hiding your face. Yes, I'm looking at you. But now look at this. Not really looking at you anymore, does it? Why? Because I'm looking to the side and it's just uncomfortable. So Apple, you need to fix that. And here's the thing. You gave us a second camera in the back. Secret. I didn't use the first camera. So giving me 2 is now 2 cameras that goes wasted. Instead of putting 2 cameras in the back, why don't you put 2 in the front? If you like the location, put another one here. And now you could have it and you'll be perfect no matter which way I'm holding the tablet. So that's all I hate, the things I hate the most about this iPad. Today's show has been brought to you by water. Clear, refreshing water. Covering over 70% of our planet and tasting delicious. And here's a cool fact about every single man and woman, every single great man and woman in history have admitted to drinking water at least once a day in their lifetime. How about that, huh? So if you like water as much as I do, give us a like and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye-bye. Now, let's go over things I love the most about this iPad Pro 2020. Number 5, peripherals. Yes, I can have it both ways. I could complain about not having any peripherals included, but at the same time, I'm going to say it's really nice to have so many peripherals available for the unit. All of that, thank you for one simple thing, the USB-C port. By just having the USB-C port, Apple opened up this tablet to give you from docking station to external hard drive, external SSD drive, thumb drive, third-party power supplies, docking station. Did I say docking station already? I don't know. But docking station, if I said it already, were twice. External monitors, just all kind of things, and it's really nice to be able to use all of it with this tablet. So kudos to Apple for that one. Now, number 4. The number 4 thing I like the most about this is the battery. Yes, this is a large unit, and it takes a long time to charge it, but once you charge the battery or 100% on this unit, it can last you up to 10 hours of fairly heavy usage, you know? And yes, if you do video editing or playing video games on it, you might not get a full 10 hours, but you're still gonna get 7.5 to 8 hours. That's pretty good for a tablet this size and the screen they have. So I absolutely love the battery on this unit. Number 3. The third thing I love the most about this unit is the ladder scanner. Yes, there is no ton of usage for it today, but in the future, I feel that it will be. The ladder scanner stands for light detection and range, which means it can detect your surrounding and build a 3D model of your surrounding. So, for example, if you download the IKEA app, you could, take a view of your room and through the iPad, look at it and put in any piece of furniture from IKEA anywhere in the room where you like it and see what it looks like. So that's actually pretty cool. In addition to that, there's also some games that we use it, but I think that's at its infancy, but that means that this unit is future proofing and you'll be able to last you for quite some time. Number 2, the second thing I love the most about this unit is the screen. This actually has a ProMotion 120 Hz screen where about 600 nits, at least that's what Apple claims, 600 nits of brightness, which is pretty nice. You could, with the anti-reflective coating, you can see it in daylight. It's really good to see indoors. In addition to that, with a 120 Hz screen, you could play games and you could do that little trick that everybody loves to do, moving the scenes really fast. I don't really have any use for that, but hey, it's really cool. But here's the coolest thing. Because there's Apple ProMotion technology, the screen can only go up to 120 Hz, but it can actually go down way below that to 60 and 30 Hz, which means that when you don't need the 120 Hz, you can actually save battery life by not using it or actually lowering the screen refresh rate. So that's actually pretty cool, and I absolutely love it. And number 1, the thing I love the most about this iPad is the performance. With the Bionic 12C chip in it and 6 gig of RAM, also 8 core GPUs, this unit is actually really fast. And the coolest thing about it is that there's no fans on it, and it doesn't even get that hot, which means that you can encode a 4K video really fast without getting those annoying fans that you always hear in the background. Heck, I have a Mac Mini with an i7, and it still chokes at encoding and even decoding H265 video. The fan kicks on and it sounds like it's going to take off. So I absolutely love the performance you get out of this unit, and that's the things I love and hate the most about it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like. If you want to leave a comment below, I'll be happy to respond to that. And subscribe, okay? Thank you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.